You know that old saying, can't see the forest for the trees? Well, if you're like a lot of people, I bet you can't see the windows for all the other windows. It's not exactly the same thing, but go with me here. One of the PC's greatest strengths is the fact that it can have a bunch of windows open at once. But that can also get messy and hard to navigate real quick. Fortunately, there are a few tools built into Windows 10 that can help manage those little windows. First, check out the Snap feature. Drag the title bar of a window to the left or right side of the screen until an outline appears. Release the window and it will fill half the screen. Then you can choose another window to fill the other half of the screen. You can drag the window to the top to fill the entire screen or to one of the corners to fill a quarter of the screen. Finally, let's look at the Shake feature. This is for when you have a bunch of windows up, but you just want to focus on one. Click and hold the title bar of the window you want to focus on and give the mouse a little shake. All of the other windows will minimize. And when you're ready to bring the other windows back, just click on the title bar again and give it another little shake. So clear up those windows and stay focused. Maybe then you'll be able to see the forest without all those trees getting in the way.
See us online at advantage.tech. Advantage Technology, the complete